Hi JVs, my name is Demetrius and I'd like to welcome you to my launch of Bing Bang Profits Reloaded on Warrior Plus on the 17th of June at 11 a.m. Eastern for a chance for you to win up to $2,000 in cash prizes for promoting a product that has been battle tested from over 2,000 customers that have been generating results using our push button software. This Bing Bang Profits Reloaded software and training actually teaches your subscribers, your users, how to actually generate commissions overnight using our software. Bing Bang Profits Reloaded software actually goes out and finds winning ads that are running right now on Bing and this year on the Google Ads network. Users will be able to find these ads and then actually push them over into their Bing Ads account with a push of a button. They're also going to be able to find the keywords that are working for the ads from their competition that they can ethically steal and add them into their ads accounts through our software with a push of a button. Users will also find winning keywords through their tracking that we are providing them with a tracking tool and a split testing tool as part of an upsell that the users can take advantage of and start finally finding the keywords that are working so they can scale up their ads and get maximum ROI from the ads that they're placing. These ads could be varying from ClickBank offers or Warrior Plus offers, JVZoo offers, basically any offer online. Our software works with finding keywords based on their niche and it goes out and finds the specific ads that other users are placing. So we would like to ask you to come and join us on June 17th for a chance for you to win up to $2,000 for a software that actually works and gets people results, as many of our 2,000 customers that have been already battle testing this software saw results overnight. The training inside is over the shoulders, showing you exactly what needed to be done, together with done for you pages, done for you ads, where your users can straight off the bat start seeing results from the front end of the product itself. In a minute, I'm about to show you inside the Bing Bang Profit software so you can see exactly what your users are getting, so you can see that this is something that actually works and that I even use for my business on a daily basis. So on behalf of my partner Alex Kulik and myself, thank you for being here, and let's get inside and see how this software actually works. So this is the inside of the software. Once the user would get into the software, you're going to be able to come out and find the Bing Competition tab. In the Bing Competition tab, you can add any keyword that is involved in any product offer. Maybe it doesn't matter what it is. So if I went down and I found this offer called the Click Wealth System, it's found on ClickBank, and I searched for that keyword, then I will go ahead and use the source where I want to find the ads that are running right now and click on Explore. My software would then go out, find the ads that are working right now, as you can see, and from this part, I can go out and choose the ads that I want. Okay, doesn't matter which one it is, it's up to you. And then all I do is just create a Bing ad. All right, I can push them over into my ads accounts that are running right now on Bing. Now I can add it into my specific ad groups, etc., and then I can create the ad. This ad will be pushed over into my Bing Ads account. I can also export these ads to a CSV file where I can actually use Google Ads, etc. This year, we're also added the ability for users to actually find from Google, from the Google Ads network. Okay, so this is an upsell Auto 1, where the users will go out and find ads that are running right now on Google where they can export and use for their Bing Ads account. The second feature is our Bing suggestion tool, which is basically finding the keywords that are already running for these ads that we are looking for. So let's say you were looking for the Dentitox offer on ClickBank. You see that the keywords that are running for the ad that is running, as you can see here, either Google or Bing for the countries, depending, etc. The keywords that are found inside these ads from all these ads are then found on this section right here where it's Bing keywords. So you can see that these keywords are available for me. I know these are the ones that the users, the competition is using for their ads, so I can take them all or filter them out and then push them over into my Bing Ads campaign. I could also export them into a CSV file, etc. Our third feature, which is an upsell auto 2, is our tracking tool and our split testing tool. In our tracking tool, you're going to be able to actually track winning keywords that are running from the ads that you have. So it's basically a full-on blown tracking tool built in our software. So in this case, you'll be able to go out and find out, what keywords are clicking on what ads has brought the conversion, etc. Okay, so for example, if a keyword converted, well, we'll know which one it converted, so you can actually scale up and everything. So this is really very powerful, as it helps users with their ad campaigns and actually get maximum ROI. We also have a split testing tool where you can actually set up so you can find the winning ads that you've placed on Bing, and then you can remove the ones that are not working from the split testing options that you get to create over here. We've also added the ability to find offers in any network. We're talking about hundreds of networks that are available for users to go out and actually find offers that they can promote themselves. Okay, so this is a pretty powerful little tool that can help right within your software. There's also a keyword merger. There's custom keywords that you can push over for exact broad matches, etc. And plus, there's the links that you have. You can actually track yourself, also on the thank you pages and everything. So this is basically the Bing Bang Profit software part, and we have training that's also available. Now, this is inside the members area for the training section, where I'm actually taking everybody by the hand, showing them how they can generate their first commissions online using ClickBank and other networks. And this is a great addition to the software that your user is buying. You're getting a lot of value, your users are getting a lot of value, and it's something that we've been supporting for the past 3 years. We've been updating videos where needed, and plus adding new videos as time goes by. Now, this is a one-of-a-kind software. It's nothing like that out there right now, and we keep on supporting it, and we want your support on June 17th for this amazing software and training, where it's an actual real push-button software that helps people actually get maximum results with their ads and their spending on Bing or Google. Thank you, and I'll talk to you on June 17th at 11 a.m. Eastern.